Matrix Laboratory is a high-level programming language and interactive environment widely used in engineering, science, and mathematics for data analysis, visualization, and numerical computation. It was developed to provide researchers, engineers, and scientists with a tool for quickly prototyping and solving complex mathematical problems. MatLab was created by Cleve Moeller, a mathematician, computer programmer, and professor in the late 1970s. Cleve Moeller was working on his PhD thesis at the University of New Mexico and needed a tool to help him solve and visualize complex mathematical problems. This need led him to develop a programming language that could handle matrix operations efficiently, as well as provide an interactive environment for experimentation and exploration. MatLab, with its versatile capabilities in numerical computation, data analysis, and visualization, finds numerous applications in various aspects of daily life. Here are 5 main key points highlighting its applications. Number 1. Data analysis and visualization. MatLab is used to analyze and visualize data from a wide range of sources, such as sensor readings, financial data, healthcare records, and social media trends. It helps individuals make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Number 2. Personal finance. MatLab can be employed to create financial models, analyze investment strategies, and predict market trends, aiding individuals in managing their personal finances and investments. Number 3. Healthcare. MatLab is utilized in medical imaging for tasks like image reconstruction, segmentation, and analysis. It helps healthcare professionals make accurate diagnoses and treatment decisions. Additionally, it's used in modeling and simulating physiological processes for medical research. Number 4. Education. MatLab serves as a valuable tool in academia for teaching and learning mathematics, engineering, and scientific concepts. It aids students in visualizing complex topics and experimenting with mathematical concepts. Number 5. Environmental monitoring. MatLab can be used to analyze environmental data, such as air quality, weather patterns, and climate data, to monitor and predict changes in the environment. These applications highlight how MatLab's flexibility, extensive toolboxes, and user-friendly interface make it a valuable tool for individuals across various domains in their daily lives. I hope this video will give you some introduction about the MatLab and its application in our daily life. So in next video we start our MatLab course for beginners from initial stage to high level. So don't forget to subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Thank you.